Hi, I welcome you all today in this session. It's a first class of English. So in this we will discuss about introduction of the English. Basically, it's the basic first class of the English where we will discuss the English about the English and then like definitions, uses, histories, like that. So this is the first slide, and we will go to the next slide. See the outline what we need to study. See. So this is the second slide, and this is the course outline. Today's class outlines we will see here. First one is the definition. Second one is the uses of English. Then we will see the history. In that we will see the periods and timeline, and then a spread of English, and then types of English. So let's discuss now the definitions. Definitions what is exactly, what do you understand by the English, and what do you mean by the English? Why is it important for us to study, and why it is important in all over world? English is a global language used for communication between people of different countries, cultures, and professions. See, in different countries, like different people, and in different countries, cultures, and professions, we are using there are many local language, many different cultures, many different professions. But English, when it comes to English is the common for everyone in all over the world. We can use the English, and if we go to any country, if any places, any village areas, there also if we know the English, we can survive. If we don't know the English, means we will face the major problem like communication problem, and we can't get what we want, and we can't convey our message what we want to say. So English is important for us to learn, and so that we can travel anywhere, we can go anywhere, we can do any jobs, we can pursue any professions, and we can study any course anywhere in the world. So in if we understand it, it is in a single simple language. So English is a language that helps us speak, read, write, and understand people all over the world. See, it helps us speak, read, write, and understand people all over the world. It means that if we know how to speak English, if we know how to read the English, if we know how to write the English, then we can understand the people all over the world. So if we are going anywhere, it means any part of the India. If means if I am talking about India, if I am going anywhere in India, and if it is outside the India and any part of the world, we can go there, and if we know the English, we can communicate easily, and we can convey our message. We can get what I want, what we want, and we can do what we needs to do. Okay, so English is the important for us. See, if we talk, if we see the India, in India itself, there are many regional languages. So there are many regional languages. There are many different cultures. There are many different professions. So if we are going, see, if North India and then South India, there are different languages, right? So if North Indians going to South India, they will face the major problem that they can't understand their language. So for that, they need to learn English, or else they need to learn their regional language. So if it is so for uh, people who don't know the regional language of that particular place, they prefer to learn English, because English is used almost everywhere. Everywhere means all over the world, all over the India. So we don't know need to learn extra language, because English is helping us to understand their uh, helping us to communicate there and go anywhere we want. Okay, I hope you understand that. And now we will see the uses. Uses means where we can use, why it is important, and where the English are uses. So first is the global language communication. It's kind of the global communication, in all over the world we using it as the communication. Okay, we can use it as a communication. We can go anywhere, like before I said, we can go anywhere in the world, we can go anywhere in the India, and we can communicate easily. We can convey our message, we can get what I want, we can get what we want, uh, from the shop owner, from very everywhere. Why, if we know the English. Okay, when now it's education. Education. Second point is the education. Education means now everywhere in college, in schools, that they're preferring English as their books language, and then they're trying to teach in English, so that it is easy for everyone. Anyone can study, anyone can go there and study that. So English study materials are also available in English now. Jobs and business, in jobs also, any kind of interviews, uh, any kind of preparation material everywhere it is available in English. And business also, business like seminars, any project report, everywhere we are using the English. Not technology and internet. If we want to build any apps, we want to develop any website, or else it's like a space research, in space research, weather forecasting, wherever we are going, we are using in which any kind of areas, any kind of work, English is widely used. Okay. And internet, on internet you can see, if we are scrolling the Insta, we are scrolling Facebook and YouTube's, and then Twitter also, you will see the English contents more and more. Okay. So if for us it's important to learn English. And while traveling, if we are going through railways, to train, through airport, we can communicate with the railway staffs, we can communicate with the other passengers, other co-passengers, and then in airport also we can, if we know the English, it is easy for us to communicate and travel everywhere. Okay. So now we will see the English, where it is first used. So it was spoken by Germanic tribes, in the country of Germany and Denmark. Denmark, first Angles, and then Saxons, and then Jutes. Okay. Now first is where it is used first. Okay. So first it is used in England, around 5th century. It's a period. If we talk about the period, it's like a 400 to 500 AD. Before this period, before this time, where they were using Celtic language, which were their local language. It was very different from the English language. Okay. So today for us, that's all for us today. We will discuss some other topic in some other videos. Thank you.